Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Puberty. Puberty is development of secondary sexual characters in adolescence. Primary sexual characters. Puberty is development of sexual characters in adolescence. Sexual characters can be primary or secondary. Primary sexual characters are penile growth or testicular growth in males, breast development, uterus and ovarian development in females. So these are controlled by testosterone and estrogen. Secondary sexual characters include pubic hair and axillary hair, which are controlled by adrenal androgens.
thank you and thank you for watching.